That's the place to go to for information about the Shakey's B-League. But I go to Rina Villamor during the game to get more information about these two teams. Rina?
Yes, still with the Lady Tamps, just as Coach Nas mentioned earlier, it's not how big you are, it's how big you will play in this game. It's not how good they are as players, but it's how bad they wanted this game. So come the second set, they are expected to play it bigger, badder, and better. 3 extra things for them. As Anne mentioned earlier, they need to minimize their errors, especially their service errors and service receive, because they will not be able to execute their plays well if they keep on doing those errors. Second is quickness, especially in their attacks. And third is to tighten their defense. Kung saan sila palaging namamatayan ng bola. Back to you guys.
Rina, you saying badder is interesting. Huh? Badder. Ano kaya ibig sabihin nun? I mean, I think walang aggressiveness yung laro kasi nila. Di ba? Walang anghang, walang angas eh.
And that's what we were saying kanina, no, off-air. No? Parang the FEU, the Lady Tamps are really playing very differently today.
Parang they're not in their element baga.
And the body language, although,
Good
yes,
point, yeah.
movement naman, nandiyan pa rin, but the body language is different.
De Los Santos with a wily move that threw off the double block, and there was no support to be able to handle that. Watching the Shakey's B-League on active. Sam Sarmenta here together with Andrew Mulla and Rina Villamor. Glad to be with you on this special presentation. Uy, scampers with Vargas on court. Cabiana. Ooh, nice by Diaz. Full
Diaz.
body extension.
But, you know, Diaz had to adjust on that set kasi it was going towards the back. Alam mo, medyo nasa likod yung bola, but then again, they still score a point with that.
For Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. You know, when you no longer play this game that all of us love, you sort of recall, and this is my youth talking, there was that time in your life that you could fly.
Oh, yeah.
Di ba? I believe I can fly. That you could soar above the net, and, you know, just the joy of this game. 10-7 count here. See with the serve. They have calmed down with the serve. A nice double jam. Cabriana.
Oh, Diaz, unsuccessful in that last attempt.
Was she too stubborn there? Well, nakita na niya, nahampas na block na siya the first time.
She should have had dapat variety din in terms of attacks, in terms of the speed, in terms of the angle.
Of course, easier said than that because she was already there. Oh, that's the 4th touch already. De Los Santos really whacked that. Boy, this is getting to be out of control as far as FPU is concerned. Official ball, of course, here in the Shakey's B-League is Mikasa. It is now 11-8 for Perpetual. C has been steady. Here's Montano, and it's outside. Hindi makastring ng points together ang FEU.
Right now, you know, it's going to be difficult, ano, if they're not as consistent. Pag makikita mo, they earn a point, they commit 2 errors, and you know, that kind of pattern will really, it won't help.
The only time they got a string of points together was when they were down 18-12 in the first set. They managed to climb in closer at 18-15. Vargas, boy, the support connection is also not there.
That's right, and you know, that's something that I would have to commend the Lady Altas naman for, because you'd see that if FEU would block, you'd see that coverage is there, but here on the side of FEU, yun nga, the body language is, seems a little bit different from what we're used to.
And Sana sort of undecided as Vargas decides to give the free ball. Cabriana sets up De Los Santos. Here comes Manzano, it's in the air. Agno, and Vargas making a decision to slap it over. Cabriana, reverse set for Timon. Hello, this is hurt FEU time and again. And yes, Pamilar not waiting anymore for the technical timeout. We'll listen in to their huddle.
Pinapractice natin. Kung ano ang gilaw na ginagawa nyo. So, Rose, bigyan namin panggigigil mo sa bola. Kaya hindi ka makadiskarte. Gusto mo malakas na malakas ang pinapalo mo. Ngayon na, malakas na palo, isang puntos lang yan.
Again, Ray, I'd like to remind you about FEU Makati, the newest campus of the Far Eastern University, with programs in these areas. If you live in the area, work there, and you would like to finally nail that degree, call it 836-2002 or look at the website www.feu.edu.ph. Next, familiar with a timeout that, sige, bahala kayo sa buhay niya.
Well, let's see kung anong adjustment ang gagawin ng Lady Tams.
My favorite there, and there are two people that I love listening to timeouts do something what Ness did. Roger Goriev is one, and of course, Coach Lasal is my other favorite.
Whenever they call for
Yeah.
timeouts.
Ramil would just sige, bahala na kaya. Sige, fight.
Na-experience ko yun.
Si Roger Goriev naman, di ba? Sige, kung ayaw nyo, huwag na tayo pumunta sa bola, di ba?
And dyan mo rin maririnig ko, they would have like witty remarks, especially Coach Roger.
Oh.
Gure would have very witty remarks. So galit na galit siya. Pero may punchline.
May TV eh, kaya medyo control
May punchline.
Sige, huwag natin laro eh. Sige, di ba? Such a delight to listen to our coaches. Oh! Open hole there, and Perpetual continues to manage this game well. Axel, official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League.
Well, that point was courtesy of De Los Santos. She's actually our number 1 best attacker here in the V-League.
Walang confidence yung laro ng FEU. Ano?
The body language is, yun nga, paulit-ulit ako sa body language, but this is not the kind of movement or even yung galaw na nakikita natin sa very different.
In the meantime, this one is too strong as we hit the second technical timeout. Barrier 16-10, Perpetual in charge.